YouTubers. So while we still have this Forester, this guy right here, Subaru, it should be pretty much the same across all of them. I took the dome line out. This is what the video is for, actually. And what I want to show you is how it actually attaches. So it sort of tucks in. Let's see if I can focus. There we go. Sort of tucks in. So you need this little guy, right? So this is the front. Same with both. All right, and then to show you, this is just gonna go tuck in. So you want to sort of jab this guy right in between here and pry outward. Gently, Wesley, and you should be good. I'm going to hold it, just push it back in. Don't need to take it off. And while I have you here, I'm going to show you how to take this one off. I'm doing this upside down, but same thing, same principle. Put it here and pry out. All right. Now, I took this one out already. It will fall, but same principle. Putting it back, it's kind of tough. So you want to do the same thing, but push toward it. So you sort of like, you know, making a gap to put this little guy in. And there you go. There you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.